Hello, my YouTube friends. This is it. This is the life-changing meal prep hack. Even Kiki agrees. Yes, I know it's a great idea. Oh, here comes Bree. She says it's a great idea too. So it's gotta be. But okay, are you tired of throwing away produce? You start out and you want a cucumber and you want raspberries and you want strawberries and you want mushrooms, and you get them all, and 2 or 3 days later they're all gone rotten. Well, this prevents it. Even this apple, which I will slice up and put in a ball jar, will not turn brown. You don't need to buy new tops every time. You can reuse the same tops. I put them in the dishwasher with the jars. Make sure that they are as clean as possible. I like it because the dishwasher sanitizes them. But here I've got my mushrooms, I've got my strawberries, and these are like a week old already, and they don't look it. They're still fresh. I have blackberries and raspberries that I got a few days ago, still toasty fresh in there. How about a cucumber? Doesn't go bad, it just stays as fresh as whatever, and they're all sliced up and ready to pour in a salad. I keep my walnuts in here, almonds, some chopped up almonds, and these are the Chinese noodles that I sprinkle on the salad. I'm telling you folks, this is fabulous. So get some ball jars and don't wash them. Wash them when you take them out of the jar. Of course you wash the cucumber before you slice it up, but dry it off really good. And the same with the berries. I don't wash them, I just put them right in the jar and then I wash them off when I have it. The apple I wash off, but dry really well. And please try this. It'll save you so much money and you'll get all this delicious variety every day. So add this to your meal prep. You'll love it. Have a great day. Glad I could help. And I just got back from the grocery store and I spent $83.77. And this is what I got. I splurged and got a fresh basil plant. Here are the petite sweet potatoes. I got a package of corn. I got a cucumber, strawberries, and a bag of spinach. Well, carrot spinach. Here is the ground turkey and the chicken. And I got 3 dozen eggs. And then I splurged and I got a flavored coffee, chocolate cream, and then a regular, a package of rice, and Power Crunch bars. They're always interested. My fur babies are always interested in groceries. And sriracha, who doesn't love that? Then I got the blackberries and red raspberries and mushrooms and an apple. And by using the ball jar system, I'll be able to have all these produce items fresh for the entire week. So that's not bad. I wished it was less money, but I'm still getting quality food and I'm able to prepare my meals ahead of time, and it makes it easier to stay on the program. So anyway, I hope this little shopping trip has helped you see, how you can start out by just, preparing for the week and allowing for different items that you might want to purchase during the week to make a different type of a meal. But, yeah, I hope this helps. Talk to you later.